There you go.
Come, come, come,
That's better. Go.
This is very hard.
Good girl. Keep going. There you go. That was better. There you go. Don't let him stop.
Go.
Atta girl. Make him go. Kick, kick, kick. Quit pulling on his face and kick. Atta girl. Go. Don't. There you go. Right, left leg, left leg. Good job. Good girl. He's okay. You're okay. You're doing great.
Oh, jeez, Louise!
It's okay. He's going forward. All right, now ask him to walk. Walk. Put your hands down. Out to the side. Every time you pull back, you're asking him to go and stop at the same time. There you go. Just walk.
All I want to do is walk right now.
Sit up.
Since I have a ponytail on, this thing is cutting out the circulation to my head. Follow my helmet is cutting out the circulation to my head.
Then either adjust it or quit complaining. You're all right. You're all right.
See, Mommy, does it have a mark right here?
Not really.
No, Mommy, I mean it's like too hard right here.